Siobhan, just while I've got you, there's a protest behind you. Are they there to meet him, or are they there to show their displeasure at what he is alleged to have done?
Well, actually, if I just move out of the way a bit, you can see there's this handful of people here. These are actually supporters in the main of Duterte. So the banner at the back, which they've just...
Proceedings, but I say to you, I will continue to serve my country at so be it. Kung gano'n na Esteligo. Salamat.
Ang isang mataas na pinuno ay dapat marunong gumalang sa mabababa. Dahil darating ang panahon, bababa ka rin at mawawala sa pwesto mo. Hindi ka immortal, hindi magtatagal, magre-retire ka, o kaya naman, kunin ka ng Diyos para magkaroon ng divine retirement.
him despite his very strong crackdown, despite the bloody war on drugs that we saw being carried out under his reign. But many people, as I said here, believe that he actually made the streets of the Philippines safer.